Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Cooking with Zainab Kitchen.
Today's recipe: chicken tikka long macaroni. Long macaroni 1 packet. 1 carrot chopped. 1 chicken breast, cut into the strips. Add chicken in a bowl. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Chicken tikka masala 2 tablespoon. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Add barbecue sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Marinate chicken for 30 minutes. Add 3 glasses of water, 1 tablespoon ghee, and bring it to boil. Add 1 packet long macaroni and boil until 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, long macaroni is done. Strain and rinse with tap water. Add 2 tablespoon ghee. Add chicken and fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, chicken is done. Add carrots and sauté for 2 minutes. Add capsicum and sauté for 1 minute. Salt 1 teaspoon as per taste. Black pepper 1 teaspoon and red mirch 1 tablespoon. Barbecue sauce and add long macaroni and mix well. Add chicken tikka. If you like my video, please subscribe. And thanks for watching my video.